Today we're going to take a look at the construction going on next door to Marriott's Oceana Palms, right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started taking a look at this construction going on next door, if you like timeshare tips, villa tours, resort reviews, industry news, all about the timeshare industry, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and ask to be notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get into this. They are building right next door to Marriott Oceana Palms, and this has been going on for quite a while already. They're putting in the Amrit Ocean Resort and Residences. This is a huge complex. 2 large towers that they are working on, and let's take a look at them. They're actually doing some work here today, and let's take a look at what's going on. The noise you actually hear in the background is actually from Oceana Palms, where they're working on the pool. I'm not hearing a lot of noise over here at the Amrit Ocean Resort and Residences, but let's take a look. Okay, so here is the 2 towers. This is going to be a large resort. It's supposed to be a wellness resort and spa. Looked at their website. It looks to be pretty impressive and also pretty expensive. So you can buy residences here. I believe it said starting from 1.2 million up to over 4 million for a residence condo here at this new resort that they're putting up. So get out your wallets and get out your checkbooks and write those checks. They're working on these right now, and yeah, it's not really too much noise from here, at least at the moment. All the noise we got is over at Oceana Palms, where they're working on the pool. But yeah, so they're still doing the main construction, or the main structure is built. And it looks like they're kind of mostly working on some cosmetic things. Obviously a lot still to do on the inside. This was, according to the website, supposed to be open in August. But I just don't see how that's going to happen. They're obviously still doing construction in the times of the pandemic, but still looks like a lot of work to do here to this. Let's go out to the beach area and I can get a better look of what's going on. Okay, so it's actually sunny out right now, but there's raindrops coming down from those rain clouds back there. So I'll try and see what I can get here, but probably a lot of wind noise too. Hopefully not too bad. But we'll take a look at the building there behind me. That's the Amrit Ocean Resort and Residences that they're working on. So that's a lot of work going on there. And as they continue to build that, it's probably going to make the it's a pretty big property. It's probably going to make the beach pretty busy once they get that filled and work on it. They'll be obviously not super busy. It's never really busy here, but getting some more people to the beach down here. So there you go, just a quick update on the construction going on here next door to Marriott's Oceana Palms, which you can actually see behind me here. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit subscribe. Don't forget that notification bell. And until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.